हम बीएससी फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर की कक्षा में बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए हैं और उनके सिलेबस में है प्लांट पैथोलॉजी का एक पेपर है और प्लांट पैथोलॉजी में डिजीजेस एंड इट्स कंट्रोल ये है। और चूंकि हमारा रूरल बैकग्राउंड है इसलिए हम लोग बाइलिंगुअल में पढ़ेंगे। प्लांट पैथोलॉजी इज द ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी और वी कैन से दैट प्लांट पैथोलॉजी इज द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस in which we study about diseases. So first we should take the what is disease? Disease क्या है? रोग क्या है? So we can say that diseases is nothing but it is the changes in morphological, anatomical, and physiological changes in the healthy way, or we can say that healthy behavior of the plant. So diseases may be appear as a morphological character, as a anatomical character. तो इसको रोग कहते हैं। अगर उसके कुछ ही स्वस्थ शरीर में कोई परिवर्तन होता है तो वो रोग के रूप में बाहर आता है। अब सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि भाई ये रोगकारी जीवाणु कौन होते हैं? व्हाट आर द पैथोजन which cause the certain type of diseases in plants. So we could categorize the pathogen which cause the diseases into several categories. Like we can say that there are few bacterias, there are some viruses, there are some fungi, and there are some mycoplasma. Besides these microorganisms, there are some other type of microorganism which causes diseases like actinomycetes, some the microalgae, etc. But इन सब में जो सबसे ज्यादा मुझे लगता है कि सबसे ज्यादा कोई अगर पैथोजन है जो डिजीज कॉज करता है वो फंजाई है, फंगस है, कवक है और बैक्टीरिया है। सेकंड नंबर पे जीवाणु है और तीसरे नंबर पे वायरसेस हैं जो विषाणु हैं जो पौधों में रोग कॉज करते हैं। अब हम इस पे आते हैं कि वो फंजाई से जैसे डिजीज को हम अध्ययन करते हैं तो चार हेड्स होते हैं, चार हेडिंग्स होते हैं। पहला होता है सिम्टम, जैसे रोग के बारे में हम जानते हैं तो फर्स्ट वी वुड said about what are the symptom of diseases. दूसरा होता है causal organism। तो causal organism में होता है कि who cause मतलब कौन सा पैथोजन कॉज करता है ये डिजीज की। और तीसरा होता है डिजीज साइकिल का मतलब होता है इन व्हाट पर्सपेक्टिव, या ये कह सकते हैं कि किस प्रोसेस से जो डिजीज होता है, जो पैथोजन है जो डिजीज के रूप में बाहर आता है वो होस्ट प्लांट में कैसे अपने को सर्वाइव करता है, कैसे अपने को पेनिट्रेट करता है, कैसे अपने को एक तरीके से प्रोपगेट करता है। और चौथा और सबसे अंतिम एक तरीके से हम जो हेड्स में अध्ययन करते हैं, दीज आर द कंट्रोल मेजर। सो in these heads there are four heads: symptoms, causal organism, disease cycle, and control measure. These are the four heads. Any type of diseases, either it is of fungal disease, either it is of bacterial disease, either it is of viral disease, these four heads are important for any kind of disease description. So first we would tell about the what are the fungal symptoms. Those are frequently appear on the plant surfaces, on the plant life. So there are the certain fungal symptom like blight, like rust, smut, mildew, rot. There are the several type of wart. There are the several type of fungal symptom. And on the other hand, there are several types of viral symptom like mosaic. There are very frequent type of fungal symptom like vein clearing, vein mottling. These are the fungal symptom. And besides fungal and bacterial symptom, there are some other type of symptom. These are the viral bacterial symptom, and we can say that they're the canker, and they're the very important disease which is the citrus canker. And citrus canker disease, in this type of diseases, the cankerous appearance, the corky outgrowth are formed on the external surface of the citrus plant. These are very important disease. So this is the bacterial disease. On the other hand, there are some important mycoplasmal disease which are caused by the mycoplasma, which is little leaf of brinjal, in which the leaf of brinjal becomes very small, and there are certain kinds of spiroplasma, or we can say that phytoplasma. They infect the plant of brinjal, and the leaf of brinjal becomes small. So these are the several type of pathogen and their concerned symptoms which causes their symptom in different plants. So finally we can say that there are certain types of, like if we tell about what are the smut disease. So smut diseases are caused by the Astilago fungus, and this fungus is belong to subdivision Basidiomycotina. Basidiomycotina, this subdivision is a much advanced subdivision, and in this subdivision there are certain type of fungus which causes important symptom of diseases, basically in wheat plant, like smut disease, like rust disease, and so on. So in smut disease, why it is called as smut? So this is very important. So students, smut means there are sooty appearance, there are blackening, there are the black spore which are called as the teliospore, which are called as the chlamydospore. These are the important spores, and which and ये blackening हो जाता है, and by this blackening, by this spore, and the whole grain is become distorted. So there is the great loss of the grain of the wheat plant, and finally the yield of wheat plant is disturbed and they are degraded. So this type of disease is very important, very common disease in wheat plant. There are some other disease like rust disease, and which is known as the black stem rust of wheat. So wheat, which is our major cereal crop in our northern Uttar Pradesh, and in wheat plant there are two types of fungal symptoms are there. First one is rust disease, and second one is smut disease. Besides rust and smut, there are some other type of disease symptom like war disease, like blight disease.